Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step the possible method to repost someone's status in your WhatsApp account. So first of all, now go ahead and start by updating your WhatsApp app. Now open your Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. So I'm using Android. I will just go to my Play Store and search for WhatsApp like this. So now update your WhatsApp. After you update your WhatsApp like this, now go and open the WhatsApp app like this. So open the WhatsApp app. After you open the WhatsApp app like this, now go to this update section. So under this update section, now you should be able to see how many all your friends status on WhatsApp. So let's say now I wanted to repost this status. As you can see now, this person's status, I wanted to repost it. So now open the status like this. After you open the status like this, now if you want to repost the status, so tap on this three dot. If you tap on this three dot beside the status, as you can see now, under the three dot now, tap on the three dot. So as you can see under the three dot now, there is no any option for you to repost the status. There is no option to repost the status. As you can see now, there is no option. So now if you tap on this back arrow, let's say now I will place my hand on the status. Now if you place your hand on the status, as you can see now, still there is no option for me to repost the status. So as you can see now, for now, WhatsApp doesn't allow anyone to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. Maybe in future, WhatsApp may add this feature to allow people to add to repost status on WhatsApp. But for now, there is no feature for you to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys.